innovation?
Well, what if mag-brainstorm kaya muna tayo?
We got you! Okay everyone, gathered around. Okay guys, does any one of you two have an idea kung ano bang dapat natin gawin for our product for the next product launch in the market? It should be something new. Something new in the market. Anyone?
Mom, we're working on it. But as you said, it should be innovative and new, right?
Yes!
Well, what if mag-brainstorm kaya muna tayo?
Okay, game!
Deal!
Do you have any idea about innovation?
Why is it important for organization to prioritize innovation?
Do you want to explore more about this subject?
Well, we got you!
Innovation is vital for all organizations and is the lifeblood for their existence and growth. Ultimate aim of all innovation is to add value for consumers. Innovation enhances the growth and survival of firms on one hand, while it is a very complex and risky process with low success rates and sometimes lethal effects.
Creativity and risk-taking is equals to innovation.
Idea generation, development of concept, implementation, exploitation equals innovation.
Ang pagsasama ng innovation at management ay nagaganap upang bigyang diin ang kahalagahan ng pagpaplano, pag-organisa at pagpapatupad ng mga bagong ideya, produkto, serbisyo o pamamaraan sa loob ng isang organisasyon. Ang innovation ay nagbibigay diin sa paglikha ng mga bagong konsepto o solusyon na maaaring magdulot ng halaga sa mga mamimili o sa lipunan.
Samantalang ang management ay nagbibigay diin sa pagtutok sa pagpapatakbo ng mga proseso at paggamit ng mga mapagkukunan upang mapadali at papabuti ang mga pagpapatupad ng mga inobatibong ideya. Sa pamamagitan ng pagsasama ng dalawang ito, ang isang organisasyon ay maaaring magtagumpay sa pagpapalago at pag-unlad sa pamamagitan ng pagiging maunlad sa inobasyon.
Innovation management involves the systematic process of introducing new ideas, products, services, or processes within an organization. Here's why it's crucial for entrepreneurs, business owners, the economy, and end consumers. For entrepreneurs, innovation management is vital as it enables them to differentiate their products or services from competitors. Business owners rely on innovation management to ensure the long-term sustainability and competitiveness of their companies. For economy, countries with a strong culture of innovation tend to experience higher productivity, increased investments, and greater job creation. Innovation management fosters the creation of new industries, stimulates entrepreneurship, and attracts foreign investment. And lastly, innovation management ultimately benefits end consumers by delivering better products, services, and experiences. Through continuous innovation, companies can develop innovative solutions that address specific pain points, enhance convenience, and improve overall satisfaction for consumers.
Guys, ano nga ba possible outcome for innovation management and product development? May idea ba kayo?
Meron. Wait. Check ko lang si ChatGPT if may idea siya.
Ano ka ba? Hindi mo na kailangan yan. Kasi ako, alam ito. Innovation management results in various outcomes, not just new products or services. These outcomes include innovation to existing offerings, improvements in product quality, new partnerships, and exploring new business models. A comprehensive innovation strategy focusing on enhancing, extending, and exploring simultaneously can help companies increase their value proposition and maintain a competitive edge. Tangible innovation outcomes include new products, improvements to existing ones, and new or enhanced business models.
Here are the examples and also a real-life scenarios for innovation. First is cross-functional collaboration. In a technology company, engineers, designers, and marketers collaborate to develop a new mobile app. By bringing together diverse perspectives, they create a user-friendly product that meets market needs. Next is open innovation. A pharmaceutical company partners with academic researchers and startups to discover new drug candidates. By leveraging external expertise and resources, they accelerate the drug development process and bring innovative treatments to market faster. Next is design thinking. An automotive company uses design thinking to identify unmet customers' needs and develop innovative vehicles futures. Through empathy interviews and prototyping, they create cars that provide a seamless and enjoyable driving experience. Entrepreneurship. An employee within a large retail corporation proposes a new business idea and receives funding to develop it within the company. By empowering internal entrepreneurs, the company fosters a culture of innovation and stays ahead of industry trends. Next is technology scouting. A manufacturing company monitors emerging technologies in robotics and automation to improve production processes. By proactively scouting for new innovations, they maintain a competitive edge and enhance operational efficiency. And lastly is customers co-creation. A cosmetics company engaged customers in co-creation workshop to develop personalized skincare products. By involving customers in the innovation process, they build brand loyalty and create products that resonate with their target market. So these real-life examples illustrate how company applies various innovation management techniques to drive creativity, develop new products and services, and maintain a competitive advantage in their industries.
Ano? May idea na kayo?
Meron.
Meron ka na?
Siyempre.
Meron din ako!
Let's go!
Let's go!